Have you started your affiliate marketing journey yet? Or are you afraid to begin? Fear and uncertainty show up quickly in affiliate marketing, especially when you're just starting out. With so many networks, offers, and opinions, it's easy to worry about making the wrong choice. Welcome to Affiliate Marketing Secrets. I'm Richard Fontanie, and today's episode connects managing fear and uncertainty with choosing affiliate partnerships wisely. The goal is not perfection, it's progress. When you understand how to evaluate affiliate networks calmly and strategically, fear loses its power. You begin making decisions based on clarity, alignment, and long-term potential rather than pressure or hype. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this channel. You can find Affiliate Marketing Secrets under the menu Podcasts or Playlists. Subscribing gives you consistent, beginner-friendly guidance designed to build confidence, reduce stress, and help you grow sustainably from home. And your support also helps this podcast reach others starting on the same journey. Now, today we'll explore 6 strategies to help you gain an edge in the affiliate marketing world. We'll wrap up with a couple of solopreneur stories and a call to action. So sit back and enjoy, and feel free to take some notes. The first strategy is to clarify your affiliate purpose. Fear often stems from unclear purpose. When you don't understand why you're choosing an affiliate network, every option feels risky. Clarifying your purpose involves identifying who you want to serve, what problems you want to solve, and how affiliate income aligns with your larger goals. Beginners sometimes chase high commissions without ensuring alignment, which increases stress and leads to inconsistency. Purpose acts as a filter. If a network doesn't match your values, audience, or learning stage, it creates friction. Starting with a purpose builds confidence and makes decisions easier. You're no longer asking, is this the best opportunity? But is this the right opportunity for me right now? That shift reduces fear and supports steady growth. The second strategy is to ensure you are aligned with the product or service. Now, this strategy focuses on ensuring your values align with the product or service that you're promoting. Nothing is more unsettling or uncomfortable than when your values don't align with a company's marketing strategy or product. Now, that seems obvious, but I've often met affiliate marketers who hadn't clarified their values before starting. Without doing that, you risk unforeseen conflicts, a conflict of conscience that can emerge as you move forward in your affiliate marketing journey. The third strategy is to evaluate networks without stress. Affiliate networks can feel overwhelming due to information overload. Fear grows when everything seems urgent. Instead of comparing dozens of options, use simple evaluation criteria like focus on reputation, support quality, and payment reliability, and behavior resources. Red flags include unclear terms, lack of transparency, and pressure-driven messaging. All of these relate to your values. You can be assured that trustworthy networks prioritize education and long-term relationships. Careful and deliberate evaluation helps prevent compulsive decisions as a value conflict. Remember, choosing a network is not a permanent commitment. Seeing your decisions as adaptable reduces fear and encourages learning. Your stress lessens when evaluation becomes a structured process rather than an emotional reaction. The fourth strategy is to start small to reduce risk. Starting small is one of the most effective ways to handle uncertainty. You don't need many networks or dozens of offers at once. Testing one or two aligned partnerships lets you learn without pressure. Small experiments lower the financial risk and the emotional stress. Fear often overstates consequences, making decisions seem heavier than they actually are. Starting small, redefine affiliate marketing as skill development rather than instant success. Each small step gains experience, confidence, and clarity, and growth becomes manageable when risk is scaled properly. The fifth strategy is to rely on data rather than emotions. Fear relies on assumptions. Data offers clarity. Tracking simple metrics like clicks, conversions, and audience engagement replaces emotional guessing with factual information. Beginners often avoid data because it seems technical, but basic tracking is empowering. Data helps you adjust your strategy calmly instead of reacting emotionally. When results are slower than expected, the data shows where to improve rather than to panic. Trusting data reduces fear by grounding decisions in reality. And that's the critical point. You gain confidence by responding to information instead of imagination. Finally, but not necessarily the last, is the sixth strategy, where building long-term confidence is critical. Confidence develops through consistency and not speed. Viewing affiliate partnerships as long-term commitments reduces fear-driven actions. Sustainable growth stems from trust, learning, and patience. Networks that prioritize partnerships over pressure foster confidence. Long-term thinking helps you focus on building skills, gaining audience trust, and slowly increasing income. Fear diminishes when success is set realistically. Confidence is a natural result of showing up, learning, and improving over time. Now, here are a couple of stories relating to at-home entrepreneurs. One beginner joined multiple networks at once and quickly felt overwhelmed. He found his mind was cluttered, had sleepless nights, and wasn't eating well. After stepping back, he chose one aligned program and focused on learning. Another at-home mom hesitated for months, fearing that she would make mistakes. She was caught up in decision paralysis and wasn't eating properly. When she started with a small test, things began to improve and to settle down. Progress replaced her anxiety. Now, each of these stories shows how clarity reduces fear and supports confidence. So, what can we do, you and I, to ensure we are on the right path? Well, here are practical steps to employ this week. Number one, choose one affiliate network to evaluate using clear criteria. Number two, write down your purpose and your values. Number three, review the network's reputation. And number four, identify one product to test. Number five, set a simple tracking method and commit to learning rather than perfection. And finally, number six, limit new decisions for 30 days. Now, here is the deal, folks. Focus on progress, reflect on progress, and reflect on learning. Make adjustments where necessary. Remember, action creates clarity. Clarity reduces fear. If you feel uncertain, you're not behind. You are learning. Fear is part of growth, not proof of failure. Affiliate marketing rewards patience, curiosity, and consistency. You do not need all the answers to move forward. Take the next small step and take that with purpose and intention. Trust the process. Confidence will follow suit. I'm Richard Fontanie. Join me next week when we discuss making sure we don't quit from burnout. And I hope you can join me. Don't forget to check out our other podcasts found under the podcast menu. And oh yes, subscribe, like, and make a comment. And thank you for doing so. Bye now.